Linwood, life in the hood. Shit ill, always real. People live with rats and roaches, dope fiends, and cracked out football coaches. We be feeling like shit hopeless, praying for a better way, looking for a steady pace. Real life, you can get killed like Ricky. Boys in the hood, the little boys got the toys in the hood. We try to make noise on the wood. Police rolling, we be holding like fuck it, ready to run, can't trust it. People really living in a bucket. Life torn like Latoya Luckett. Up in the hood, you gotta bust quick. Oh, never lust shit. Establish trust, be loyal, have solidarity. You'll never be ahead of me. I catch a case, nigga, like Steady B. I be with Black Eddie B on Linwood. Always ready, G. Get your plate. You ready to eat? Got beef? Handle that. You got yo, scramble that. I'm running shit like Randall back. Don't fuck with the random cats or silly rats and sex thoughts. All the above will get you stressed out. EMS yellow and white tape. I'm sitting back trying to make my life straight. Tell them motherfuckers I don't like you. Have a nice date. I got a K with the knife on it. These facts, Detroit like a rat. My niggas got my back, so ease up. This nigga style is chump, he a pump. Make it eat that pump in the hood. You could be good, anything can happen. You could be rapping to ducking. Niggas bustin'. Tupac got them thuggin', drugging, leaning, cushion, pushing, working, most hurting. People getting old, time to close the curtains. What's the purpose for the killings, young nigga? You still wanna be a villain? Hey, I'm trying to get it, house with the tall ceilings, where we can ball in them. Small, fat, big, and tall women, swimming, drinking, thinking, smoking like a chimney. Everybody friends, but more like kin to me. Living like a G with no enemies. We hood bound, we good now. Bless the circle with some purple. We sitting at the square, everybody there. Clever cats, Beretta got never lack. Always pay attention in the trenches. With some grimy in the hood, like try me on my beige low. You better change your pain, your bang your gauge, bro. I lace the track. I put the flavor in your ear like Craig Mack. I'm about to bring a Craig back. I still blow a Reggie Blunt in the hood. We get drunk, you will get stumped, get lumped like Rodney King or Malice Green. Or a nigga trying to fiend. I'm a fiend for a 5 with an extra clip. And a chick with some sexy lips. See me on the Texas strip with a Lexus. And a Lexus headed back home. No more dope or the crack gone. I spit facts, kill track. You can get peeled back like a banana with the banana. And a nigga wearing a bandana. In the hood, on Savannah, called Black Sam, he got guns, game and grams. We stack funds, nigga lame, so scram. That's go scam, nigga. Go get caught in a jam. You a ham, a fucking turkey, you can't work me. I been doing this shit since Durfee. Put it on paper, nigga, then the perk beat. Then with TV, then with satellite, we out of right.